Good evening to all of you and my respected teacher. My name is Sonia Sar. Today I am going to represent my PPT presentation for my final year project. I have made a Flutter packaged water delivery app which will deliver the water seamlessly and effortlessly. Have you ever thought the water we drink might not be safe in a world where every sip of water matters to our health and our well-being? So I have created an app which will deliver the packaged water. Next slide. Water delivery app. The Purity Flow water delivery app is a convenient and efficient solution for customer to order and receive high quality drinking water straight to their doorstep. System requirement specification. I have uses for fronted Flutter and Figma designing tool, and for backend I have used Dart programming language, and for database I have uses Firebase, which is a real-time database management system. Next slide. The importance of clean water. Clean water is essential for maintaining food health and well-being. Its importance cannot be overstated as water is a fundamental resource that supports various bodily functions and plays a crucial role in sustaining life. Hydration. Hydration is also one of the major body requirement that we need in our daily life, and also nutrient transport, detoxification. Digestive health is also dependent on the water what we drink and what we feed our body. Next slide. Process logic. I have created a user registration page in which the user will enter his or her name, email, password, and user will confirm their password by re-entering it, and also the phone number. Order placement. I have uses the two type of order variety. That is, first one will be UPI and second one will be the cash on delivery. And for payment processing, I have uses the UPI and the cash on delivery processing. Delivery tracking. I have implemented the Google Map so the user can track their order where it is. Next slide. Gantt chart. I have given my first week for the project initiation, and the second 2 weeks for requirement gathering, and 3 weeks for UI UX designing, and 2 weeks for database designing, 6 weeks for front end development, and so on. And the app is on the processing. Next slide. Data dictionary. In the app, there is order ID, customer ID, order date and delivery address, delivery date, delivery time, bottle size, and total price, and payment methods, because there are more than one payment method, and there is order status where we will track the status of the order. Next slide. Data flow diagram. In data flow diagram there will be two pages, that is login and sign up. If the user is a new user, then he will log in and enter his user ID, email, and a password, and he will also re-enter the password for confirmation. If the password and the confirmed password both will match, then his or her account will be created. And in the sign up page, it has name, email, password, and if he or she might forget their password, so they can re-enter their password and recreate their password. And both of the login and sign up page will lead to the dashboard, and dashboard has the product. In the product section there are a lot of bottles and a lot of variety of water quality, and the customer can select the order and then go to the checkout option. In the checkout option, he or she can choose the payment method, and also add or change his or her address, and also set the timing when he or she want to have his or her order. And then the next slide. ER diagram. In ER diagram there is user MSD and the product MSD. User has email ID. User has email, name, password, and view ID. View ID is a primary key that uniquely identifies the user MSD. And the product MSD, there is a product ID, product name, price, and product image. The product ID is the unique identifier that is a primary key. Next slide, please. This is the UI interface of my project, which is in ongoing process. This is the login and sign up page. This is in this slide the user will create his or her account. This is the dashboard. Next slide, please. Future scope of the app. In the future, I will try to integrate the app with IoT and AI for the smart improvement and smart technologies. Next slide, please. Bibliography. I have uses Google, Wikipedia, ChatGPT, Binge Image Creator, and our workshop teacher Sunny sir also helped me a lot in this project. Next slide, please. Thank you so much for your valuable time and engagement. Your presence make my presentation look very awesome. Thank you.